Bogor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Jaitbynriew Bnei Menashe kidai Jaitbynriew ki bala du ajat ha Israel hakisnam nyospa arpho BCAA kani ka Jaitbynriew ka sakmano namar katma bat ki babun ki 1.0 poisa no ha ki than chatai lamingi jongri India lani ha North East khambun ki lapoi ha Manipur bat Mizoram ka Israel ka kwa bakini ki Jaitbynriew ki ba ka Thymmei jongki ka daina Israel bakin wan phaino shala ka ri Lajong bat ki ru ki kwa ban Leit phaino sha ka Thymmei Lajong she Israel kumta kala don ka jinga pen bank apdeng sarkar India ba sarkar Israel ban pelilat pelilinti yaki bakin lej pai lada kidon kamon naladi kidon palan aspa angut kita ki Jaitbynriew Bnei Menashe ki bela mi no na India ban lej Shong lej sa no cirta ha Israel kila poi hakat lingsun hanong ba Tel Aviv ha ka singi palai kata ka arpulai tere uyayong arja Jaitbynriew bat kala don ka jing pedang sungo bha ka ba he bha yaki de kinong Israel balaptem buram ru da ka jing roatan ra jong ki jiu hakisnam kat kandai spa kandai pho kila don kumba saw hajar ngut ki Jaitbynriew Bnei Menashe na Manipur bat Mizoram ki balik phai sha Israel bat menta la ong ba ki don sakumba nyaw hajar ngot ai ki ba sapret hakileng ki benta jo kari India ki don la ka khana ka pateng ya ka ba kiru ki tep ya la ka Thymmei Lajong bat ka Israel ru ka tep bha sha phang jong ki hanrei om shim na don pat ha ki jing tho bat ka sa no tang ha ka khana kini ki Jaitbynriew Bnei Menashe haba ki Shong ki sa ha India ki la kala sha kanyam Kristan hanrei kin kala no sha kanyam Tenrai Lajong bat kin yo long ki nong Israel bapura bat ka Israel kala aja ka ki sha ki benta ba tay jongka ka Israel ka ngej bah Manipur ki bon bah ki jiu bat nadu bakhe ka jinga kan at Manipur laong bah ki ladon da ki hajar ngot e ki jiu ki bala pet werno she Israel
kan gali tu jauh kan gali tu mama kan deh kan dia akan tahu tik
we have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakot e kashnong no ngi kwayo sngo bhan kashnong de lakot kalayat Tikila pen sngo hina shnong ki mat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ru ki don hi convey bet yaki ka scan jong ka tourism department manginam don construction.
Te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban permi ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala ban wan kane kawai ka project bi ki don mentang ne PB ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ungut ki ba yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha ka jalla kadon kata kendon ka ba 90% of non-managerial posts kan let shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan let shaki local. Other than that, ka shulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namarba ka ka ba phi amnot ngiru hangni shuaban take up yung project day ban su thu bakla habang warra yaki investment habang warra yaki bakum kini ki project net yang nga opi ka ba khaddu ki jimtoy kan long yangi ki khon samna.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.